a wide view of the modern clinic waiting room, showcasing soft beige walls, comfortable seating, a polished wood reception desk, potted plants, and framed medical certificates. Patients are seated, some flipping through magazines, while others look at their phones. Bright natural sunlight streams through large windows. Dr. Thomas Reed stands at the reception desk, leaning slightly forward as he discusses a patient's file with a nurse. The nurse holds the file open, pointing at a section with a pen. The polished wood reception desk, showing the patient's file laid open with handwritten notes and medical charts visible. Dr. Thomas Reed turns from the reception desk, holding the patient's file in one hand, his expression warm and approachable as he looks towards the waiting area. A view of the waiting area from Dr. Thomas Reed's perspective. Patients of different ages and appearances are seated, some flipping through magazines while others focus on their phones. The bright sunlight highlights the inviting atmosphere. Dr. Thomas Reed kneels slightly to speak with a young child seated beside her mother. He maintains eye contact with the child, smiling warmly as he gestures with his free hand. The young child's face, her eyes wide with curiosity as she looks up at Dr. Thomas Reed. A magazine is visible on her lap. Dr. Thomas Reed shakes hands with an elderly patient seated near the window. The elderly patient smiles appreciatively, their hands clasped together in the handshake. The handshake between Dr. Thomas Reed and the elderly patient, emphasizing the connection and warmth of the interaction. A medical certificate on the wall, framed in dark wood, with the name Dr. Thomas Reed prominently displayed. The waiting room, highlighting the natural light flooding in through the large windows. The reception desk and waiting area are bustling with activity, while maintaining a calm atmosphere. Dr. Thomas Reed approaches at Maria Sanchez, who is seated near the corner with her hands resting on her lap. He extends his hand in greeting, his expression warm and attentive. Maria Sanchez looks up at Dr. Thomas Reed, her expression polite but reserved as she reaches out to shake his hand. A potted plant near the reception desk, its green leaves vibrant in the natural light. Dr. Thomas Reed walks back to the reception desk, holding the patient's file and nodding in response to the nurse, who looks up from the desk. Dr. Thomas Reed's face, showing his focused yet approachable expression as he glances down at the file in his hand. The clinic's waiting room from the perspective of the large windows, capturing the calm and inviting environment. Dr. Thomas Reed is visible in the background, interacting with another patient.